Alright guys, so as you can tell, we're standing in my bathroom. I'm finally going to tackle this today. It's not going to be perfect, and I've been dreading it. I don't know why. It just seems so daunting to clean and organize, which I love to do, but I don't know. Something about bathrooms, I just hate bathrooms. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean as much as I can today. It's like 7:30 at night. Actually, it's almost 8. And this is like the only time I've had the motivation to do it. So I'm gonna get what I can get done today. If I don't finish it today, I'll finish it another day. But you just gotta start. If you guys aren't feeling it, just start. And usually when you start, you just get in the groove and things just get going. But starting can be the hardest part. So before I started any cleaning, I had to put the switch plates back on. I painted these walls. They were originally like a dark green color, and I painted them gray. I was going to spray paint these switch plates white. I did buy it and everything, but I haven't done it yet, so maybe eventually I'll take it off. But I was too lazy at this point, so I just put all the switch plates back on before I started cleaning. And then I'm going to show you guys in just a second all the products I used. I use that glass and surface cleaner from the Dollar Tree, some sponges, baking soda, Lysol, and Clorox, my cleaning toothbrushes, and then I had that Plumr stuff so I could fix out why my drain is going so slow. I needed to just clean it out, so I bought that to put down the sink drain. If you guys don't know, paint thinner doesn't work. Like, apparently they took out a special ingredient, so it literally is useless. So the only thing that I found that takes paint off of anything is my nail polish remover with acetone. So I went over my countertops because I had a whole bunch of paint on them from me painting the walls, and I got all the nail polish off, and then I went in and dusted the lights fixtures. Have you guys ever pulled out your sink drain? Well, this is what mine looked like. I don't know what that is. I'm going to assume it's like mold. So I took it out and let it sit in some bleach because I really didn't feel like scrubbing it. And then I washed my hands because I didn't want to get bleach on anything. And then I used my hair clog eliminator and let that sit for about 30 minutes. It said 20 to 30 minutes. So I let it sit for 30 minutes and just to declog anything in my drain. And then I got to some deep cleaning, so I used my handy dandy cleaning toothbrush to get in like the sink drain, and then I cleaned out all the shelves and cabinets and everything. And I'm going to be showing you guys a spot that most people forget, and that is the drawer tracks on the side. Most people don't even think about it, and I usually don't either, but I noticed them and they were all disgusting and like had hair and dust and who knows what. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick. Alright guys, so everything on this side right here, including the vanity and the toilet and this cabinet, everything's deep cleaned, ready to be organized. As you guys saw, I put the liners in here. I still have to put a liner in this one because I ran out, so I had to go get some more. But everything's ready to be organized, and then I still have to clean the tub and shower and stuff. So that'll be the project today. This is like over the course of a few days, but you guys will just see all in one video. So I found a new thing to clean over on TikTok, because TikTok teaches you everything, and that is your under your toilet seat bowl. So you have to take off your toilet seat bowl, which actually was kind of a hassle, but you know, it was worth it because I wanted to clean it really bad, and if I didn't, it was going to bother me. So I took it off, and that's kind of what it looked like. Mine wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's hard to even really tell that there is anything there, but it definitely needed to be cleaned. I've seen other ones that are way worse on TikTok, so I'm interested to see if you guys clean yours. Let me know how it looked compared to mine. But yeah, I cleaned that off, and now I feel like I really deep clean this toilet, and it's ready for me to use, I guess. I don't really know where I was going with that. Alright guys, finally time to organize. We got the whole bathroom clean. So this is a lot of my organizing stuff, and then let me show you. I have some more stuff down there. So what I'm probably going to do first is like try and fit like how, I don't know how to explain it. Like I'm going to organize the drawers first just with the bins before I put any product in, just to see like how the bins fit, and then I'll start putting stuff in. I have a general idea of like how I want things set up, but more than likely I'm going to be switching things around, so I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out, but let's get started. Alright guys, I finally finished cleaning and organizing the bathroom, so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of everything. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Of course, there's probably like some little stuff I'm going to add, and I still want to, I don't know, clean some more little things, but for the most part, it is done. So I'm going to start over here. The door is right behind me, and it's not closed all the way because my closet door broke, so that's sitting there. But I just have my little hair things for the shower hanging there. I don't think they're gonna stay there because they look weird, but for now, that's what that is. And then over here is the shower. I got this shower curtain from Kohl's, and it's actually a little bit too short, but I'm not gonna buy a new one. I really don't care that much. My liner is bigger, so it kind of goes past it, but like I said, I don't really care that much. Then I got this towel. It says clean. I just got this today actually from Target. It was $12 because I thought this rug came in a 2-pack, but it didn't, so I had to get another rug, and I really like that one. This is the shower. As you guys saw, I gave it a really good deep clean. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, definitely go follow me. I cleaned out my shower drain and posted it on there. It was pretty disgusting. I post daily on TikTok cleaning videos, so definitely go follow me. I'll leave a link in the description box. And then I changed out my sink spray thing. I know it doesn't match, but oh well. This is mine from my apartment, and I really like it. And it has the detachment that I can spray down the whole shower, so that's why I brought that. All right, so I'm so happy with how much storage is in this bathroom. Like I have the vanity, and then I have the cabinet above the toilet, and then I also have a medicine cabinet. So it's awesome. So next to the toilet, I just have my toilet paper holder and my toilet brush and plunger. And moving up, I have this Renews It, which I found out that this is not even how you're supposed to open them, guys. I feel stupid, but I haven't fixed it yet. I have this nice butt sign. I don't even remember where I got it, but I got it when I had my apartment. And I have some extra toilet paper in there as well. And then just some face wipes. I'm so happy to have this storage, guys. It's just so helpful. So up there I have all my water wipes, which I use for my face because I love them. I'm sorry if you guys hear my dog out there pitter-pattering. He's just being obnoxious. I have extra toilet paper in here, and then these are my bath towels, my hand towels, and my face. What are these? Oh, washcloths, yes. Moving on to my medicine cabinet, not really anything exciting. I just have most of my hair stuff, my glasses, and contact stuff. So what is on top of the counter? So we have some toilet paper over here. I have this. This was actually foaming soap, and I just poured it in here. I got this glass jar from Home Goods. And I have 2 different hand lotions. I hate when people don't have lotions next to their sinks. My hands get so dry after I wash, so I always keep lotion. I have a Febreze, my toothbrush, and then like a lot of the products I use on a daily basis just up here. All right, moving down into the drawers. First drawer is a lot of my hair stuff and stuff I use a lot like on a daily basis. So this is my brush and comb I use like every day. This is just some extra ones and some that I use when I straighten my hair. This is nail care stuff, and then I have all my bobby pins, clips, barrettes in there. This is a toothbrush, like you put it on your toothbrush and it keeps all like the germs off of it. And then this is hair ties. All right, the next one is the feminine care one. I thought of this idea, or I didn't think of it, but I saw this idea on like Pinterest when I lived in my apartment, and I really liked it because I know like when you go to other people's houses, you never know like your time of the month may start. So this way it's literally easy access. I'm literally like sitting on the toilet right now. That's how close it is in case somebody needs something. And I don't really use these pads, but again, if a lady comes to my house and wants these, she's more than I'm more than happy to let her use those. All right, the main large compartment. I'm not 100% happy with how this is, but for now it will do. So this first one is a pull-out drawer. I have extra cotton swabs and ear swab things. And then down here I have one of my hair straightener products. And this middle one, I have some shaving products, my like makeup that I use most often, which is like never. And then a lot of the products I've gotten from couponing. So this is like lip care stuff, some extra makeup, and hair ties, and where are they? Oh, hair clips and stuff. And over here we just have extra hair products, extra combs and stuff, and then extra face stuff. Second set of drawers. So over here I got these cute little gray things from Tuesday Morning. They came in a 5-pack for like $5 or $6, and I really like them. So this is like my extra face creams. This is extra hand creams, cotton balls, cotton swabs, and makeup brushes. And then this bottom drawer is all of my like hair appliances. So yeah, guys, that's everything, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Again, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok because I update there daily on all my cleaning and organizing things. So that will be a way to connect with me more. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe for next week's video. Bye.